The Strainrite Activator Strap is a wraparound style termination insulator that minimizes your need for additional hardware while maximizing your options for gate handle hookup. The activator strap comes in a pack of 10 and is easily installed with the provided galvanized nails. To install the activator strap, we're going to pick our desired height on the post and then nail it in place with the provided nails. Next, we just wrap the insulator around the post and nail it in place. And just repeat on the other side of the post. So now we can form our wire loop around our activator strap. We're going to slide our crimp sleeve on and around the post. Give our wire a little bit of a pre-bend. Slide the crimp sleeve up. Place the wire in the prongs of the activator strap and slide the crimp sleeve onto the wire. Now we can compress our crimp sleeve to lock it in place on the wire. We applied tension to our strand of wire, which really locks in our activator strap. Compared to other gate hooking hardware, you can see this protrudes out further into the opening. This isn't ideal for livestock crossing in congested areas or equipment access with tires. You can see the low profile of the activator strap here, and we don't have limited hookups. We have several hookups at all directions and all angles around the post. And now we have the option to electrify from any angle, whether that's an interior paddock division with a portable reel, or even a spring gate or a bungee gate opening. You can find the Strainrite Activator Strap at kencove.com, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fencing tips and expert advice.